Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Now this is a little bit different from Happy Mail. Now I got contacted by a little girl called Rachel. Rachel has a Facebook yarn or wool group. I'll leave the details down in the description. She did absolutely amazing yarn. Now, she sent me some yarn. She sent me the yarn and she sent me some patterns as well. She's gave me enough of the colours of yarn to do this. And look at this. This is a beautiful, beautiful pattern. And she gave me enough of the James C. Brett to do that blanket in a James C. Brett yarn, and look at that. Now it's called fillet crochet because it's done in these little holes like this, and you fill in basically around about it. And remember that we did the called the midwife type one, the little flower box one. Well, this one is done quite similar, and I'm going to show you how to do that. But what I'm going to show you as well, I can show you how to make this, but I can't give you the pattern. Rachel has these patterns as well. She's got lots of patterns. Now, I'm going to show you how to read a pattern as well in another video. A lot of people are saying to me, I can't read a pattern, so I'm going to try and help you get the basics of it, So I'm going to show you the yarn that she sent me. Now, a lot of it is branded yarn, and it's really reasonable priced, and look at this. I'm going to move my camera just slightly to take all of that in. I've got the bags turned round that way, so we'll do it one bag at a time, and we'll go through this yarn. And Rachel, thank you so much. This is, oh, it is so soft. Look how bright these colours are. They are so pretty and bright. Now, this is a Petal Everyday double knitting. And this has got 100 grams in it. So it's 100 grams and it's an acrylic yarn. It's absolutely beautiful. The colour in it is absolutely stunning. So I've got a box down in the floor, so I'm going to put the balls down into the boxes as we'll look at it. That is so soft, so it is. Now, I have been on our Facebook group and had a look around on it and gave her a like on it as well, but look at that, it's so pretty. Is there a colour? There's a shade. This one's called Aqua, and so this one is just orange. This one is called Aqua. I'll put them down there. They're absolutely beautiful. And then we've got this one. We might find some more of that brand in the bag. Oh my goodness. This is King Cole Comfort, and it says it's Kids DK. You will not believe how soft this is. This is so soft. For doing little hoodies and sweaters, cardigans, even little skirts. This is beautiful. Blankets are going to be amazing done in this, and she does know that most of my tutorials are for stitches for blankets, but a lot of the stitches that I show you can be transferred onto like a hoodie. If you've got a pattern for a basic hoodie, you can change some of the stitches for the ones that I show you. And there's 2 balls of this. Look at that. That is absolutely beautiful. And they're 100 grams in them. And it's called Dusk. This one is called Dusk. It's so soft. I wish you could feel how soft that is. That is beautiful, Rachel. There's a beautiful red. Well, that's another one of that Petal one for that nice bright blanket. This one is called Cranberry. Look how bright that red is. Look at these colours. They're absolutely amazing. I'll pop that in my box. This one, oh, look at that. And this is so soft. It is really, really soft. This one is called Pear. It's called Pear, as in a fruit, a pear, a fruit. Look at that, it's beautiful. Now I'm just going through them because there is a few bags to get through. This one is called Saxe. Saxe, S-A-X-E. This one is called Saxe, and it's squishy, it's beautiful. The shades are amazing on this brand, and it's a Signet. It's Signet that do this one, and it's so soft. And I'll put links in as well. There'll be links where you can go and visit our sites. Now I don't get anything from Ray other than this bag, these bags of wool. So it's to help Rachel and it's to help Rachel with her little business. This one is just a light grey. That is so pretty. That is so pretty. And there's another little bag. I'll put that in my box that I've got down there. This one's in a muslin bag. Look at that. It's so pretty. So pretty. That's a lovely bag as well. These are great for keeping your all your projects in as well. When I've done a little blanket, I pop them into these. It keeps them nice and clean. I'll put that down there. And that bag's empty. I'll put that down as well. So these two, this one is called Mauve. It's a beautiful shade. Look at the shades in this. And this one is yellow. Now, there is some of that yellow in that pattern, that blanket that she gave me, but there's also another blanket that I need various shades of lemon for, and I'm sure there's going to be a little bit left over that I can do that with. Now, I do have a long list of blankets, so when I get to that chevron coloured one, it might be a few weeks or so. But look at this. Look at this. Absolutely amazing. Look at that. Now this one, it's called Baby Twinkle, and it's by James C. Brett. It's James C. Brett. Now she did tell me that she was putting some of the James C. Brett in. I like the James C. Brett. He does one that's called Marble. He does one that's in a big bottle. It's called Marble, and it's all different colours mixed together, and it's absolutely amazing. So you should go and look for some of that. It's called Marble. It's beautiful. Now this is Baby Twinkle DK print. Look at all those colours. They're absolutely beautiful. It's like a little sweet shop, isn't it? It's like a little candy sweet shop all rolled into yarn. Now it's just a shade number. It's BTP22, and you can go and have a little look and give her a thumbs up, give her a like on her Facebook page so that it will help to boost her as well. I'll pop that one down in that box, and there's another one. She's given me two of those. That's beautiful, and even though it's got metallic thread through it, it's still really soft. It's not jaggy at all. Sometimes when you get it, it's quite jaggy, but this isn't. It's really soft. Oh, look at this. This is a King Cole. And that's so soft. Look at the way it's twisted. It's all in a twist. So hope you're not going to get any split in your yarn with this, the way it's all twisted like that. That is absolutely beautiful. It just shows you what it's like when it's made up if it's knitted. It's a beautiful colour. It's called Cherish. King Cole Cherish Baby Double Knitting. It's aquamarine. It's got a name, this one. It's called aquamarine. There's 100 grams in it, and it's so soft. It tells you to use a 4mm knitting needle. So that would be a 4mm crochet hook as well. And it's beautiful. I just can't believe how soft some of this is. I'll pop that in my box. Have a little look. Now there's this one. There's two of these. I'll pull that out. There's another one of that King Cole Cherish one. And that's the aquamarine. I'll put that beside that one. This one is Wondersoft merry-go-round double knitting. Look at the colour in it. Look at those bright colours. This is so, Wondersoft is the right name for it. It's so beautiful. It's a style craft yarn. There's 100 grams in it. It's called Denim, Blue Denim, the shade is on this one, and it's telling you again to use a 4mm knitting needle or a 4mm crochet hook. That's a UK size. It's got 294 metres, that's 322 yards, and that's in 100 grams. In the UK, we go mostly by the weight of the ball. That is beautiful. Pop that in my box. I've still got another bag to go. Oh, this is so nice. Look at this. Look at the way that's spun. It's almost like a brushed cotton. It's not a cotton, it's a double knitting. It's called Bambino and it's by Stylecraft. Now the colour on this is sage. It's amazing. It's beautiful. It really is. There's two of those. And it's beautiful, and I love the way that it's spun like that. So it's going to feel really, really soft when you've made something with it. Beautiful for baby garments, absolutely beautiful for baby garments. Beautiful for pram blankets, and the colour on this, if I can get the light, it's getting sunny outside. That is so pretty. If you need to make a blanket for a baby that you don't know whether it's a boy or a girl, this sage green is really, really pretty. It is quite bright if you see from the side there. And that would make wonderful, wonderful blankets. And the last one in this bag, we've got two in here. I'll put the bag down. Oh my goodness. Feel that right away. Now this is a King Cole and it's called Beaches. Look at the shades in that. That is so pretty. It is so pretty. And this is what it looks like when it's either knitted or crocheted. And you know something? It really does look like sort of the sunset on the beach, doesn't it? It's really pretty. I really like that. Now this one, it doesn't have, it's called Beaches and Cream. Beaches and Cream. And look at that. It's by King Cole. And it's, oh, it's super soft. The King Cole brand, a lot of it just seems to be so soft. And look at those beautiful colours. Absolutely beautiful. Make beautiful baby clothes with those. Pop them down there in that box, and we've got the last bag. Now this one's got the James C. Brett in it that she gave me the pattern for, and it's this. Look at this. So I have had some of this James C. Brett donated to me, and it's beautiful. I love the shades of it. Now we've got some strong sunshine. We're actually supposed to be going to get up to 100-mile-an-hour winds over the next few days, but I don't actually see it. It's cloudy, but there's lots of sunshine in between the clouds when the clouds go away. Now that is beautiful. Is there a shade? It's just a number for this. It's BB12, the shade number, and it's super soft double knit by James C. Brett, and it's 100 grams in that ball. I'll pop that into my box. Look at this. Oh, this is a King Cole Cotton Soft Baby Crush. Look at that. That is so soft. How many is there? 3 of those. Oh, look at that. That is so nice. It is so nice. If you're in a hot country, then the cotton yarn, especially the baby soft ones, are beautiful. It'll still keep you cool in a hot country. So don't think if you're in a hot country that you can't make crochet and knit, that you can. This one is called Aqueous. Its colour is 2871. There's 100 grams in it. That's 229 yards, 210 metres. Now, even though it says 100 grams, sometimes the meterage changes because it's a heavier weight wool. If the wool's heavier, you get less yardage in the ball, but it's still really, really pretty. I like that. I'm going to leave that sitting there. Now, what have we got next? We've got two of these. These are beautiful. Look at this. This is the hayfield spirit. Now, I'm sure someone donated some of that to me, so that gives me an extra ball or two to make like a bigger blanket. I don't have a duvet cover or a duvet blanket on my bed. I use proper blankets and ones that I've maybe crocheted as well. I would rather be able to take a few blankets off and add a few blankets on, if you know what I mean. I'm old school rather than with the hefty quilts that at my age you're either boiling hot and sweating so much and you throw it off and then you get cold. But this is Hayfield Spirit. It's a double knitting. It's beautiful. The shade on this one is 0400 and it's so pretty. Look at the colourways in that. These are beautiful for making virus blankets or fan blankets. Any blanket that's maybe like a fan and radiates out is absolutely beautiful. Your granny style blankets are beautiful done in this kind of colourways as well. It's absolutely amazing. And the last two is another two of the James C. Brett, so that I can try out that heart blanket. And that is what's in the bags. So thank you very much, Rachel. It's absolutely amazing that you contacted me and asked me if I would give you a little leg up with a little promotion. So all of my viewers out there, have a little look, or tell her it was me that sent you so she knows it was me that sent you that way. So once again, thank you very much, Rachel, and thank you to everyone for watching. And I hope I've shown you quite a lovely different display of the yarns that Rachel has on sale site. It's beautiful, it really is. And she's well deserving a little hand for promotion wise. She's a lovely, lovely person. So thank you all very much for watching. Please click on that subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, and if you click on the bell icon, then YouTube will alert you when I put up another tutorial. Until the next time, happy crafting, and I'll see you all again soon. Goodbye.